Your UK BRP card expires on December 31st, 2024. Here's what you should do. Hey there! If you have a biometric residence permit for staying in the UK, it's important to know that it expires on December 31st, 2024. In this video, we'll discuss why this happens and how you can make sure your status is still valid after that date. We're also planning a Q&A series where we'll answer all your questions about UK immigration. Drop your queries in the comments below and stay tuned. If you've recently received indefinite leave to remain, ILR, your biometric residence permit, BRP, will expire on December 31st, 2024. This also applies to individuals granted permission to stay in the UK for a limited time, even if they've been allowed to remain beyond December 31st, 2024. The reason behind the expiry date of BRPs is quite intriguing. It's all because of the European Union's grand plan to roll out advanced encryption technology. The Home Office is keen to kickstart this from January 1st, 2025, which is why your BRP's got that December 31st, 2024 deadline. Even though the EU's requirements might not be in the picture anymore, the Home Office is still charging ahead with its digitalisation plans for proof of status. That's why they're sticking to the December 31st, 2024 expiry date for BRPs. Looks like they've got their eyes set on the future. On top of all that, the Home Office dropped another bombshell. Starting January 1st, 2025, you won't even need a BRP anymore. Yep, they're shifting everything online so you can prove your status digitally. Exciting stuff, right? Keep your eyes peeled for more info from the Home Office. Expected to roll out in early 2024. And here's the cherry on top. The Home Office has reassured everyone that this digital shift won't mess with anyone's immigration status. Phew! Now, on to the important stuff. How do you accurately check the period you're allowed to stay? The Home Office is expected to confirm the validity dates of your permission to enter or stay via email once your application is approved. It's like your digital passport stamp. Remember, it's crucial to save that email, as it'll state your confirmed period of permission to stay in the UK. Think of it as your golden ticket. For those of you currently holding a BRP, here's a handy tip. You can make the most of online checking services to confirm your right to work or rent in the UK. It's like having a digital key to unlock all those opportunities. So why wait? Dive into the digital world and make your life a whole lot easier. Of course, it goes without saying that the online checking services provide accurate details about an individual's permission to stay in the UK. That's a game changer. Well, that wraps up our video update for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our videos on Facebook and WhatsApp.